Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Calm Speak English. I'm Alex, and I'm very happy you are here today. In this episode, we will talk about motivation, how to keep going, how to stay strong, and how to enjoy learning English even when it feels difficult. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words. I repeat important ideas. You can listen, repeat, and practice with me. This is called shadowing. You listen first, then repeat after me. Are you ready? Take a deep breath and relax. Let's begin together. Part 1. Understanding motivation. Learning English is not easy, and that's okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to feel slow. You are not alone. Everyone needs time. Time to listen. Time to practice. Time to understand. Time to grow. Some days learning feels fun. Some days it feels hard. That is part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On difficult days, just keep going. Repeat after me. Small steps are good steps. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to know every word. You just need to try. You just need to continue. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes easy, sometimes hard. Sometimes you want to stop, but when you look back, you will see how far you have come. Pause for repeat. I am climbing. I am getting stronger. Part 2. What motivation really is. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. But every learner needs motivation. Motivation is not magic or loud. Sometimes it is quiet, a small voice that says, "Try again. Don't stop." If you are tired, rest. Then come back. If you feel confused, breathe. Then try again. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? For work, for travel, for study, for freedom. Your reason is powerful. Repeat, my reason is strong. Part 3. Practical tips. Tip number 1. Do a little. 5 minutes is enough. 1 short paragraph is enough. 1 sentence is enough. Small progress is real progress. Tip number 2. Remember your reason. Say it out loud. Write it down. Keep it close. Tip number 3. Make it easy. Start small. Press play. Begin. Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself. Say, I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm doing my best. Tip number 5. Celebrate small wins. You listened today. Win. You learned a new word. Win. You tried. Big win. Part 4. Your progress is real. Sometimes you cannot see your progress, but you are improving every day. Write things down. Record your voice. Notice small things you understand. Look back, not only forward. Repeat, Slow progress is still progress. Part 5. Enjoy the process. Learning is a journey, not a race. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes help you grow. Babies fall when they learn to walk, and we smile and say, "Try again." Do the same with English. Speak anyway. Practice anyway. Be brave. Part 6. Why English Matters. English is a key. English is a tool. English opens doors. It connects you to the world. It gives you more opportunities. It helps you build your future. Repeat, English can change my life. Final message. You made it to the end of this episode. I am proud of you. Remember, you are learning. You are growing. You are trying. And that is enough. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. Thank you for being here. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.